Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is complete the sentence using the most suitable preposition. I intend to go to London that Friday. A, it, B, on, C, N, and D, sense. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the grammatically correct word or phrase. A. I dash a report at the moment. A. Writing. B. Write. C. Is writing. And D. Am writing. I am writing. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is select the word or phrase which is closest and meaning to the underlined word. A. It is a colossal building. A. Colorful. B. Huge. C. Small. D. Haunted. So the correct option is B. Huge. The next MCQ is select the word or phrase which is closest and meaning to the underlying word due to the timidity he could not perform on stage. A. Shyness. B. Ignorance. C. Bodily pain. And D. Tiredness. So the correct option is A. Shyness. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the most suitable preposition. The police stopped him for driving dash 120 km/h. A. On. B. Over. C. N. And D. Within. So the correct option is B. Over. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the grammatically correct word or phrase. Dash of the two books is ready to be published. A. None. B. All. C. Not. D. Neither. So the correct option is D. Neither. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the most suitable preposition. Ticket for the cricket match are on sale this Wednesday. A. It. B. From. C. For. And D. Of. So the correct option is B. From. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the most suitable preposition. A. Take your mobile, dash off your pocket and give it to me. A. Off. B. Out. C. To. And D. Towards. So the correct option is B. Out. The next MCQ is the word closest and meaning is empty. Is A. Harshness. B. Compassion. C. Cruelty. And D. Charity. So the correct option is B. Compassion. The next MCQ is select the word or phrase which is closest and meaning to the underlined word. The dinner conversation was so banal that the left before we had dessert. A. Boring. B. Ordinary. C. Slow. And D. Inappropriate. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is veracity most closely refers to actuality. B. Mistake. C. Daniel. And D. Huge. So the correct option is A. Actuality. The next MCQ is the word closest and meaning to LA is dash. A. Comfort. B. Happy. C. Dispel. And D. Clamp. So the correct option is A. Comfort. The next MCQ is immobilized most closely refers to A. Unimportant. B. Immaterial. C. Immature. D. Immovable. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is select the word or phrase which is closest and meaning to the underlined words. The new mother respected when her baby fell asleep. A. Rested. B. Cried. C. Enjoyed. And D. Fainted. So the correct option is A. Rested. The next MCQs is the word closest in meaning to dale is A. Tor, B. Lake, C. Hill, D. Valley. So the correct option is D. Valley. The next MCQs is select the word or phrase which is closest in meaning to the underlined word due to the continuous mischievous activities. He has become a roguey person. A. Thief, B. Honest, C. Dishonest, and D. Sharp. So the correct answer is dishonest. The next MCQ is select the word or phrase which is closest in meaning to the underlined word. A. He flushed with anger when his father slapped him in front of all relatives. A. Blackish. B. Thrilled. C. Angry. D. Radiant. So the correct option is D. Radiant. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the grammatically correct words or phrase. A. I did my work last night. A. Will complete. B. Complete. C. Completes. D. Completed. The correct option is D. Completed. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the most suitable preposition. He knew everything dash Lahore. A. Inside. B. About. C. And into and D. Despite. So the correct option is B. About. The next MCQ is complete the sentence using the grammatically correct word or phrase. I have been driving dash 3 hours. A. Since. B. From. C. For. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your biology knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.